Hello everyone, you are welcome to this class. So in this class, we want to solve the questions to what problems are leading to inequalities. So the first question I have here is the size of a field are 3 into bracket 2x plus 1 kilometer and 3 into bracket x minus 1 kilometer. If the perimeter is greater than 162 kilometers, solve for x. So as you know, field is a rectangular shape, right? So that means perimeter of a field is 2 into bracket L plus 2. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into bracket length plus what? Breadth. Now I've been given the length here to be, and the perimeter given here is 162. That means we are saying 2 into 3. So we're going to have 3 into 2x plus 1, close the bracket, plus b, 3 into bracket x minus 1, close the bracket, then close the curly bracket. So everything is equal to 162. So from here, we're going to open, is greater than, is greater than, so this will be greater than, is greater than 162. So what we're going to do, let's open what we have inside the bracket first. So this will give us 6x. We're going to have 6x plus 3 plus 3x uh, minus 3. Close that, greater than 162. All right, so let's open everything here. That will be 6 into 6x plus 3 uh, plus 3x minus 3. So let's collect like terms there. So 6x plus 3, that's going to be 9x. 3x minus 3x is 0. So greater than 162. So this will then give us 18x greater than 162. So that means we're going to divide both sides of the inequality by 18. So therefore, x is greater than 162 divided by what? 18. And therefore, x is greater than 9. And that is option B. Option B is the answer there. I hope that is clear. That is for number 1. For question number 2, we have to translate this sentence. I will not pay more than $6. I will not pay more than $6. So which means that you can pay $6 and also pay less than $6, but you not pay more than this. So this one is talking about at most. All right. So the maximum you can pay is $6. So that means uh, X is less than or equals to $6. That's what it means. That is, you can pay less than $6 and you can as well pay $6. So that means we're saying that is X is less than equals to $6. So that is uh, option A. Option A is the answer. X less than equal to $6. This is option A. I hope this is very clear. So you have to be very careful when you're interpreting this. I will not pay more than. More than. That means you can pay less than $6 and you can as well pay $6. So we go to question number 3 now. For question number 3, we have if x is subtracted from 5. X is being subtracted from, that's, we are saying 5 minus x. It is not that 5 is subtracted from x. It is not the same thing as saying x minus 5. Exactly. And the result is greater than 15. So find the range of value of what? X. So that means we're going to collect like terms here. That's minus x greater than 15 minus what? Minus 5. So that will give us x minus x greater than what? 10. So this is not what we're looking for. We want x, not minus x. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1. or you divide both sides by what? -1. In that case, the symbol will change to what? Less than, and this will become what? -10. I hope this is very clear. So that is option D. Option D, x less than -10. X less than -10. That's option D. Three consecutive odd numbers are x plus 3, x plus 5, and x plus 7. So the sum of these numbers cannot be greater than, it's another one, cannot be greater than 201. So that means when you add all these numbers together, so x plus x plus x, that gives 3x, all right? 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, that gives us 15. Cannot be greater than 201. That is, can be more than 201, but can be less than it. So that means it's less than or equal to 201. I hope I'm making sense. Cannot be greater than, it's not the same thing as saying greater than, equals to. If we put greater than equals to, you are saying that it can be greater than 201. But this one is a cannot. So which means it is less than or equals to what? 200. So find the range of value of x. So which means we're going to have 3x less than equals to 201 minus 15. 201 minus 15. So that will give us 186. 3x less than equals to 186. So we can then divide both sides of the inequality by 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Therefore, x then be less than equals to 3 in 18, that is 6. 3 in that is going to be what? 62. So that is x less than equals to 62. That is option D as well. X less than equals to 62. So you move to question number 5. For question number 5, so we have, I think of a number. So let the number be x. I treble it. When you treble a number, it means you multiply by 3. That is 3x. You treble it. I divide the result. I divide the result by 4. Divided by 4. If my answer is less than 15, my answer is less than 15. So what is the range of values of the number I'm thinking of? That you are looking for the range of value of x, right? So in that case, so what we're going to do, we make this one over 1. That's going to give us 3x less than 15 multiplied by 5. Then we divide both sides by 3. 3. 3 cancel 3. 3 here 1, 3 here 5. So therefore, x is less than 20. X is less than what? 20. That is option A. Option A is the answer. I hope this is very clear. Right. So we'll move to question number 6 now. Question number 6, we have added things of a number. Let the number be x as well, right? He doubles it. That is, it multiplies by 2. That is going to be 2x. And then subtract 5. And then subtract 5 from it. That's -5. All right. The result cannot be less than 100. The result cannot be less than 100. That is, when you use the word cannot be less than, it means it is greater than or equals to what? 100. So it can be less than 100, but it can be greater than 100. So that's what the interpretation. That's going to be greater than equals to what? 100. How that is clear. So in that case, uh, find the range of values of x. So in that, we're going to have 2x greater than equals to 100 plus 5. And this will be 2x greater than equals to 105. Right? So we divide both sides by 2. By 2. 2 cancel 2. So x is greater than equals to 52 and a half. 52 and a half. That is should be, as you can see from the question, x is greater than equals to 52 and a half. So we go to the next question. Okay, number 7. Question says multiply a number y by 10. That is, it means 10y, right? Then subtract 60 minus 60, all right? Minus 60. The result is greater than minus 5. The result is greater than minus what? 5. So that is all. So we just collect like terms. That's going to give us 10y greater than minus 5 plus 60. So that means 10y greater than, so 55. Right. So we divide both sides by 10, 10. So 10 cancel 10, then y will then be equal to 10 in 50 is 5, remainder 5 over 10, right? Sorry for this. So this will then give us y is greater than 5 whole number 1 all over 2. Y is greater than 5 whole number 1, or that's option D. I hope this is very clear. All right, so let's go to question number 8 now. Question number 8. So 1/5 of a number, 1/5 of a number, let the number be x, right? So 1/5 of a, that is 1 over 5 of the number x, added to plus 2/3, that is 2/3 of the same number, that's 2/3 of x. So is greater than 26. That is greater than what? 26. 26. Find the range of value of x of the number. So that means we're going to have x over 5 plus 2x over 3 greater than 26. So find the LCM, and the LCM is 15, right? So that is 3x. 5 in 15 is 3. 3 times x plus 3 in 15, 5. 5 times 2, that is 10x. All right, 10x greater than 26. So from here, we can, this is going to give us 13x all over 15 greater than 26. So let's make this 1 over 1. When we cross multiply, we're going to have 13x greater than 26 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 15. So from here, we can divide both sides by 13 by 13. 13 we cancel 13, all right? 13 here 1, 13 here what? 2. That means x is greater than what? 30. X is greater than 30. That is option A. X is greater than 30. Option A. I hope that is clear, right? Question number 9. Question 9. So we have, are they bought X biros? Are they bought X biros? So let's, X biros at 8 naira each. That means it's going to be 8x. That's the cost. And X plus 4 rulers at 20 naira each. That is plus 20 multiplied by x plus 4. So he spent less than 200. He spent, as all this amounts to less than 200. That's what it means. So the amount is spent on biro, which is 8x, and amount is spent on ruler, which is 20 into bracket x plus 4. Everything is less than 200. So form an inequality for the statement. So just let's solve this. This is going to give us 8x plus 20x. This will be 80 plus 80 less than 200. So this is going to give us 28x. Then let's collect like time. That's 200 minus 80. So that is 28x less than 120. 28 less than 120. That is option C. Number 10. Okay, 2/3 of a certain number. 2/3. That is 2 over 3. 2 over of a certain number, of that number is x, uh, is greater than the sum of the number and c, that is x plus 6. This is the interpretation. So from here we collect, we can cross multiply. So this is going to go 2x greater than 3 multiplied by x plus 6. And this is going to give us 2x greater than 3x plus what? Plus 18. This gives 2x. We can collect like times minus 3x greater than 18. This will give us minus x greater than 18. So by the time we divide both sides by minus 1, so this will change to be x less than minus 18. X less than minus 18. That is option B. X less than minus 18. So that is that on this correction. So I hope you find this video useful. If you do, don't forget to give us a very big thumb up and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and turn on your notification so that anytime I release video like this, you're able to get notification of it and benefit from the video. So we'll meet in our next video. Bye for now.